Hello everyone, it's me, Bella, and today I decided to switch things up a bit from my normal unboxing videos and do a how to do it video. So that's when I came across this Care Bear shaker maker. I found it such a cute idea, and I actually originally thought it was going to be some kind of blind bag, but then I realized it's a shaker maker, it's arts and crafts, and it'd be so cute to talk about it in today's video. So it's actually got quite some weight to it. It's themed for the absolutely adorable Care Bear story. So I think I have Share Bear. So this is what I'm going to be basing it off, and Share Bear is actually one of my favourite ones anyways, so that's not going to be a big problem. And it says, first it says shake it, create it and paint it. So we'll see what's inside. And inside is 4 paint pots, 1 character mould, 130 grams of magic shaker maker powder, that's like a tongue twister, magic shaker maker powder, and a paintbrush. So I guess the only thing I might need is gonna be water. But I love the packaging, it's so adorable. Just a rainbow blended in, it's so cute. But let's open it up. Oh yeah, it's shaped in an egg as well, which reminds me of Easter for some reason. Now where's the peely thing? Here it is. Hopefully this is gonna be perfect, guys. Oh god. By the way guys, watch to the end of the video for the results. Oh, that was perfect. Open that up. The egg is quite an interesting shape. It's like the top bit is very like big and the bottom is very small. But let's open it up. And it's like a really cute purple colour, and I can reuse it as well. Oh wait. Oh wow. That's really like put in there. So this is the powder, this is the what's this? Oh, the mold. Yep, I got everything out. What is this for? Is this the lid? Like you put this here when you're... Okay. Okay, so this is the shaker maker powder chemical formula, it says. Put that aside for later. We got these very cute paint pots, the colours of Share Bear. Ooh, adorable. We got the tiniest paintbrush. Oh, my hands are powdery already. I got the tiniest paintbrush, which is so cute. I haven't seen this paintbrush this tiny ever. Ta-da! And this, I don't know what this is. Maybe it's a separator. Maybe I have to use it for something. And this is the shaker maker mold. Yep. So let's read the instructions and then I'll see what I have to fetch. Ooh, okay. So first you gotta twist it. Take your ingredients out, open the mold up, 40 milliliters of water. Doesn't specify what kind of water. Like cold or warm. Do 70 grams of the powder. 6. So next you have to mix it up for 1 minute. Then pour in, close it, and shake it for 2 minutes. Yes, I'm gonna go get everything I need and I'll be right back with you guys. Okay guys, I'm back and I've prepared 70 grams of the shaker maker powder, 40 milliliters of water, and a cute little whisk to mix it all up. But if the whisk doesn't work, I got a spoon to mix it. But I have no doubts that the whisk won't work. So I'm gonna start pouring my shaker maker powder into my water, and I'm gonna slowly mix it while I'm pouring it in because I feel like that's gonna be like better. So yeah, let's start. Guys, I feel like this is going to be like a really thick mixture because of the amount of water and the amount of powder is like, there's a little more powder than there is water. Yeah, I can feel how thick it's getting. Oh gosh, that is very thick. Yeah, I feel like the spoon might actually be better. Oh no. Yeah, and mix it up for 1 minute precisely. I will speed this part up. Okay guys, I've shaked it for 1 minute and it's, like I predicted, it's a way thicker mixture now. And the next step is to properly like make sure that it's like the mold is like put together well, which I've done. And then I have to put the mixture of shaker maker powder. Now it's a mixture, and I'm gonna have to pour it into this, so that's what I'm gonna do. Okay, so I'm just gonna like delicately pour it in to the mold. I don't know if this is gonna be enough, but I think it will be. Now that I think of it, it does look like paint. I don't know if it's all in. I'm just gonna put like a bit more. Okay, so now that I've poured in the mixture, I'm going to put this on it, which will prevent the mixture from getting somewhere weird. And then I'm going to make sure that the lid of the egg is properly put on. I think I've screwed it on properly. And now I'm going to have to shake it for 2 minutes so that it gets into all the little crevices and creates my little sherbet. Okay guys, I finally mixed it up and I can tell you guys that that is an absolute workout. This literally replaces gym, so if you like can't afford to get a gym membership, just buy the shaker maker. But yeah, so now we're gonna wait 1 hour, so I'll be right back with you after 1 hour's done, and we'll see how our little shaker maker dude finished out. Okay, so I let the egg stay for a bit over an hour now, so let's see what the results are like. I want to be very careful with this. I don't want it to break. But, okay, so it's dark, there's some pieces there. Okay, so first I think I'm going to take the bottom off. Okay. It looks hardened. And I'm going to take this off and see how it turned out. I want to be very careful with this. It's kind of stuck together. It's perfect! It's a perfect shape. Now the table's messy, so I'll be right back after I clean it up. So it's already worked out quite well. So it's good shape. Let me just put some paper underneath it so you guys can see. So there is some like breaks, not breaks, like areas where the mixture didn't get through. There's some air bubbles here and there. But I'm sure that when we colour it, it will be absolutely adorable. It's quite smooth but fragile, so you have to make sure you don't drop it or anything like that. But yeah, I'm going to start colouring it in with the colours they provided and this cute little brush. Okay, so first I think I'm going to start with the purple because that's like the colour of the like bear. And then I'll wait for it to dry and then I'll do the other colours. I've got to make sure I leave white where it's supposed to be white. Okay, I'm going to open it. I don't know if it's going to be enough paint for the entire figure though. We'll see, we'll see. Oh, I can't wait, it's going to be so good. I'm going to start on the back first because that's probably going to be easier. And I think I will have to do a few coats of it. I hope there's enough paint though because I don't know if I have shades of this kind of paint. So yeah, I'm going to speed this part up and I'll be right back with you guys. Okay guys, I'm just doing the final finishing touches on my little bear. So I finished with the purple. So now that I finished, I'm going to start doing the bottom layer. And I think I'm going to make it like a blue colour. Because I think that's going to be kind of cute. Or maybe pink. I haven't thought about it much yet. I feel like blue will be nice though. So I'm going to start colouring it blue. And I just want to say that it does leave a lot of dust, so I would put something underneath yourself while you're doing it. But yeah, let's start doing the second colour. Guys, I finished with the blue coat, and you guys might be wondering, why did you not colour the other side here? Well, I just had an idea. What about we make that part, this part, like a pink colour, and I think that will make it absolutely adorable, which leads me to start doing the pink. I've done the pink bit. I might like touch up on that a bit more later. Just gonna wait for it to dry. And now I'm gonna start doing the little cheeks. Okay guys, it's starting to look like Share Bear. Oh my gosh, it's so adorable. I think I'm just going to touch up on the stand a bit more though. Okay, I've completed the stand and the like top-ups. And now there's one more missing, and you guys probably guessed it, the eyes and the mouth and the eyebrows. So that's going to be done with our final colour, black. I'll just close up these colours. Oh wait, they can't close up again. So warning, you should use like the entirety of the colours. Oh no. Okay everyone, I am back after some technical difficulties with my colours. But yeah, I'm just gonna start doing it. Like, this is the most nerve-wracking part. Okay guys, yeah, since my hands were shaking, that's how like scared I was. So I haven't done the best job with the eyes and the smile, but I still find it very, very cute. I might have to fix the eye a little bit after what's happened. But yeah, I think it's very cute. Okay, so it doesn't look exactly like Share Bear, but it's my own version of Share Bear. It's my Share Bear, so I still think it turned out really great. I mean, sure, the eyes might look a bit funky, but it's the best I could do. Yeah, this is definitely going on my shelf for decoration. And I think it's a really fun craft to do with your friends, family, with your kids. It's really fun, and I totally recommend it. There's also different like ones you can get, not just Share Bear, like dinosaurs maybe or stuff like that, Hello Kitty. But I chose the Share Bear one. Well, thank you so much for watching today. I appreciate every single one of you. And if you liked this video, then go check out my channel for more videos like this one, and you can subscribe to see if I come up with any more videos like this. Maybe I might do another Shaker Maker video, you never know. But if you'd like to support me even further, you can buy me coffee at buymecoffee.com. Not that the support you give me isn't already enough, but sadly that's it for today's video, so bye!